Hi. With MRPeasy Professional Edition and the Unscheduled Manufacturing Orders functionality, it is possible to manage manufacturing orders which are not on the production schedule yet and shouldn't book workstations. In the production scheduled Gantt chart, orders can be removed from the schedule and then can be dragged back to a new time. Inside the manufacturing order, there are buttons for removing an order from the schedule and for automatically scheduling it. And when creating a new manufacturing order, you can check the option Do Not Book Workstations for creating an unscheduled order right away. The Unscheduled Manufacturing Orders function can be enabled at the section Settings, System Settings, Professional Functions. To learn more about MRPeasy, please see our other videos. Thanks for watching.